Hello everybody and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabrielle and today I have an amazing ab workout for you. It's going to be incredible, and all that is required for this workout is a wall. So that's the only equipment that you're going to need today. I'm going to do 4 exercises, 30 seconds each, and we're going to do 4 rounds of that. We're going to take a quick, really quick 20-second breather in between each round. I'm going to work you hard today. Give me a like down below and a comment if you enjoy this workout. Let's get straight into it. Put yourself down. I've just pushed my yoga mat up against a wall. You can use a towel or whatever you have readily available at home. Bringing your feet on towards the wall. Into your first exercise here, bring the hands, interlace them, send them behind your head. 30 seconds, just a straight crunch through center, all the way back down. Inhale, exhale, lift, all the way back down. Now I want you to be giving this absolute maximum power right now. The chin comes into the chest, and you're gonna lift head, neck, shoulders off the floor, lower back down. Maybe push the feet into the wall if you want a little bit of a deeper connection here, all the way back down. Inhale, exhale, all the way down. You've got 5, 4, next exercise in 3, 2, 1. You're bringing your elbow to your opposite knee, lower down. Elbow to opposite knee, lower back down. So again, 4 exercises, 30 seconds of each, and we're gonna do 4 rounds, but I am gonna give you a little breather in between each round, all the way down. So you're taking a twist here, elbow to knee, all the way down. Elbow to knee, all the way down. Try and connect. Can you tap elbow all the way over? Taking that little twist, all the way down. Squeeze, get the head, neck, shoulders off the floor. We're going to switch in 2, 1. Head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Reach the hands over the top of the thighs. Now reach, 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 reach. You're just reaching side to side over your thighs. Keep going. I'm here with you too. We go. Reach, reach, press. Keep the head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Great for working into those obliques. Reach and reach. Keep going. Press. Reach. You have just 5, 4. Switch in 3, 2, 1. Into a reverse crunch. Bring the feet, lift them, lift the hips off, tuck, lower all the way back down, tap the wall. Lift, tuck the hips, lower down, tap the wall. Press the palms in, lift, tuck the hips, lower down, tap the wall. Keep breathing in, exhale. So you really want to try and tip those hips up and away from the floor and back down. Inhale, exhale, tuck, reverse crunch. You've got 3, 2, 1. Well done. 20 seconds breather here. Five, 4, repeating the circuit. 3, 2, 1. Hands behind the head. Let's go. Head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Keep those elbows to the side. Really work those upper abdominals. So with this routine, you're working your upper abs, your lower abs, and also your obliques here. So you're targeting every single area of your abdominals. You'll be happy to know. Chin to chest lift, all the way down. Get the head, neck, shoulders off the floor. You've got it. Chin to chest lift, lower all the way back down. Work those abs. 4. Switch in 3, 2, 1. From here, you want to bring elbow to knee, lower to the floor. Elbow to knee, lower to the floor. So you're really trying to get both the shoulder blades off and twisting at the same time. Inhale, exhale, twist, tap, lower back down. Twist and tap, lower back down. I hope you're feeling the burn as much as I am right now. I know this is an absolute killer set. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Next thing, head, neck, shoulders off. Reach the hands to the side of the thighs. Go reach. Go reach. Stick with me. Reach and reach. Go reach. Next up, we have that little reverse crunch position. Keep reaching. Press. Press. 15 more seconds to go. Let's trim that waist down. How badly do you want that brand new waist? You've got 10, 9 here, 8, 7. Reverse crunch coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Hands go down. Bring the feet to a point. Lift, tuck the hips, and tap the wall. Lift, tuck the hips, and tap the wall. Keep going. Lift, tuck the hips, reverse crunch. You've got it. Lift and tuck. It is burning me too. Inhale, 15 more seconds left to go. Tap the wall. Tuck, tap the wall again. We go a little tuck and tap the wall. We have just 5. We got just 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 20-second breather here. Breathe in, breathe there, exhale away. Get ready because we're going to repeat that one more time. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Lift up all the way down. Lift all the way up, all the way down. Keep breathing. So again, you are working your upper abs at this point. Chin to chest. Feel free. I'm closing my eyes too. It burns me as well. Maybe close your eyes. Squeeze, lift. Back down. Squeeze all the way up, back down. Chin to chest. Curling head, neck, shoulders off the floor. You have 5, 4. Next exercise in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Elbow to opposite knee, all the way down. Elbow to opposite knee. No breathers here. We are transforming your waistline. Squeeze a press all the way down. Into that cross crunch, all the way down. Head, neck, shoulders off. Don't rely on one of your shoulder blades being on the floor. Try to get them up and away. Keep on pressing. You've got just 5, 4, 3. Next exercise in 2, 1. Well done. Lower back down. Head, neck, shoulders off. Reach the hands over the top of the thighs. You've got now reach, 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 and reach. Keep going. Breathing in, breathing, exhale, away. I can feel that burn too. We both want to burn together today. We go reach and reach. Keep pressing over the top. Let's sculpt out that brand new waist for you. Reach and reach. Keep going. Press. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down, reverse crunch. Tuck the hips up and away. Tap the floor. Tuck the hips up and away. Tap, tuck, tap the wall. Tuck. So this is really great for getting into those lower abdominals. Specifically, that's my problem area. I find it so hard to tone my lower abs, but these reverse crunches really help. Push the palms, lift the hips, low back down. You've got it. 5 seconds here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 20 seconds off. And then we have one more round. We can do this. Breathe in. Breathe out, exhale away. Two, 1, let's go. We go up and lower down. Now this is your final round here. I really want you to give this round absolutely everything here. All the way squeeze, lower back down. Whew. Keep breathing, 15 more seconds, and then we're gonna move on in towards that cross crunch. 10 more seconds here. How far can you get up? How much can you make those abs burn today? 5, 4, 3, cross crunch in 2, 1. Well done. We go over, lower down. Maybe you could take it up a notch to the side and take it into single counts. Cross, lower. If not, it's fine. Go back to what we were first doing. We go cross crunch and lower. You've got 15 seconds. Cross, cross, 10 seconds now. Cross, lower. You've got it. Elbow across the waistline. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then let's go side to side. Reach, reach, reach. Head, neck, shoulders, stay away from the floor. Reach, press, tuck that chin into the chest. If your neck is starting to hurt, you've got it. Go reach, side to side, keep going. You have a final 10, 9, 8, 7. Reverse crunches coming up here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've got it. Last thing, let's go. Tuck the hips under, tap the wall. Tuck, tap the wall. Again, one of my problem areas. I hate my lower abdominals. I find them so hard to tone. But commit to this workout with me today, and we're both going to get the changes we want. Tuck. You've got 10 more seconds now of this absolutely insanely tough ab workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Draw the knees into the chest. Give yourself a little rock. We are going to take a stretch here. Bring the knees to the side, extend one arm, take the head to the side, little abdominal twist. Other way, bring the knees back, through the center, over the top, head to the side. I hope that you loved my ab workout today. I'm definitely going to feel that one tomorrow. Make sure you hit subscribe. Leave me a comment down below of anything, any other workouts that you would like to see. My channel has a whole host of workouts, so go and team this up with maybe a thigh workout, an arm workout. It's your choice. See you next time. Bye.